In the last video, we set up a CI/CD pipeline in CircleCI. In this video, we'll look at how that pipeline talks to AWS, because it needs to run Terraform and create resources like an S3 bucket. To do that securely, we're using OIDC instead of access keys. AWS uses something called OIDC or OpenID Connect for authentication. It lets CircleCI prove its identity to AWS without storing credentials. Think of it like a secure handshake. It's quick, verified, and nothing gets stored. I'm in AWS IAM under Identity Providers. I created an OIDC identity provider pointing to CircleCI's OIDC URL. This tells AWS to trust tokens coming from CircleCI. Next, in roles, I created this role that CircleCI will assume. Under Trust Relationships, the trust policy restricts access to my specific CircleCI org and project. And under Permissions, the role has the Amazon S3 full access policy attached. This defines what CircleCI can do once it's authenticated. In our case, create and manage S3 buckets. Make sure to copy the role ARN for CircleCI. In CircleCI, I'm in my project settings, and under environment variables, I've added the IAM role ARN here. This tells CircleCI which role to request when it needs access to AWS. For this video, I'm using a pipeline that's already run, so we can focus on what happened during the OIDC step. In the final video, we'll trigger it live. Let's look at the test AWS OIDC job. Now let's look at the last step, test AWS Authentication with OIDC. This shows that CircleCI successfully assumed the IAM role using OIDC. It requested a short-lived token, sent it to AWS, and received temporary credentials. If this step is green, the handshake worked. All steps passing means CircleCI is now talking to AWS securely with no credentials stored anywhere. In the next video, we take it one step further. Terraform uses the provided credentials to validate and provision real infrastructure in AWS. See you in the next video.